So today we're going to be doing a wash job on this 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo. And look, I want to use it as an opportunity to show you just how efficient and effective washing a car can be if you have the right tools, the right products, and you have everything that you need ready to go at your fingertips. Here at Visual Perfection, we wash over 600 cars a month, and we have built our business on being a daily driver, high volume shop. The process that I'm about to show you is a big part of how we are able to do so. So to get started, I want to show you guys what we're going to be using. We have 3 buckets. One is going to be a wheel and tire bucket only. We have a wash bucket, which is just water with our wash mitts because there's going to be soap on the car. Once we wash so many panels, we dip it in the rinse bucket just to make sure we haven't picked up any kind of dirt, dust, contaminant, anything like that that may scratch the car. Bug cleaner, car wash soap, tire brush, lug nut brush, wheel woolly, another bug scrubber. This is my pH neutral wheel cleaner. This is actually my all-purpose cleaner for the rough spots on the car and the tires. All right, the camera guy's gonna give us a timer and we're gonna get started.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Go.
So guys, we're going to start out by pre-rinsing the car and getting all the areas wet. As you can see, we're keeping the hose off the car and we're making sure we get any kind of loose dirt and contaminants off the paint and giving us some lubricity for whenever we go to washing the car. Now we're gonna take our all-purpose cleaner and we're gonna be spraying the tires and up inside the wheel wells. Look, this thing here is low to the ground, and I know I'm low to the ground, but wow, this thing is sitting on the ground. We're gonna get out our foam cannon and attach it to the pressure washer, painting the car and the wheels and tires, making sure nothing dries. Coming on around, we put us a good layer of foam on this thing so we have us a good lather for the vehicles. Again, it's a carrier agent to take the dust and the dirt and the debris off the car. Getting inside the vent, we're gonna do the rash panel that I call it, right? And now you see that mitt is done. Now we're gonna thoroughly rinse the car, fender wells up inside the barrels of the rims and the tires. Make sure we get all the soap off the car. Again, I'm keeping the wand and I'm keeping the hose completely away from the car so it doesn't touch it, scratch it, nick, anything of that nature. You've got to be careful this day and time, especially with something this expensive. We're gonna grab our drying towel and we're gonna go and we're gonna finish up drying this thing off. There you have it.
Guess the time.
11 minutes, 13 seconds.
13:55.
Not bad at all. Well guys, there you have it. As you can see, a thorough wash doesn't have to take you forever. With the right tools, the right chemicals, and a little practice, washing a car can be a super efficient process. Now the methods that we use here may not be the best fit for you and or your situation, but for us in our high volume shop, we have found this to be the most efficient while still delivering high quality results. Now whether you're a weekend warrior, you're on a run, a detail shop of your own, I hope this video was able to help you in a way that you're able to take something back to your own driveway or maybe your own wash bay and implement it in your business. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Listen, we love you for leave a comment down below, and if you have anything that you'd like to share, give us a subscribe if you really loved it, and we have a lot more to come here at Visual Perfection.